Let's dive in. Oh boy, the AI landscape is evolving at a speed that sometimes feels almost surreal, right? The data shows that user adoption has skyrocketed with ChatGPT alone, seeing an 8x increase in users in just 17 months. And then there's the connection between massive CapEx spending and falling inference costs. It's like a perfect storm of innovation and economics coming together.
Absolutely. And it's fascinating how this isn't just about digital transformation anymore. AI is literally reshaping both the digital and physical worlds. I mean, you look at everything from improved compute efficiency with GPUs that now require fractions of the energy per token, compared to older models to data centers built in record time.
How do you see that shifting the power dynamic in technology?
Well, you see, it's like a relay race where cheaper, faster inference fuels widespread adoption. The hardware improvements, like Nvidia's 2024 Blackwell GPU, being a 105,000x more energy efficient than its 2014 predecessor, are a key part of this, and they are fueling an explosion of AI usage. This phenomenon in turn reduces the barrier for both developers and even non-tech companies to embrace AI.
Yeah, and speaking of developers, the massive surge in AI developer activity, there's this 50x increase in monthly tokens processed for some ecosystems, is reshaping how products are built. It's almost like the entire development process is moving from a reactive chatbot to full-blown autonomous agents. And what do you think about the shift from closed to open-source models in all this? It's a hot debate.
Oh, definitely. The closed-source models like GPT-4, Claude, and Gemini dominated early on because they were super polished and had early name recognition, especially among enterprises and consumers. But now, open-source alternatives are catching up fast. They're closing the performance gap and slashing costs dramatically. It's like, when you upgrade your phone and suddenly all your old accessories work even better. That's open-source innovation in a nutshell.
Interesting analogy. And yet I wonder, aren't there concerns about quality and support when shifting over to open-source systems? I mean, while developers may love the flexibility, enterprise clients might prefer the stability of closed models. But the data seems to suggest that more developers are actually gravitating toward these open models to build highly specialized applications. Exactly. And that divergence in approach feeds into broader monetization challenges. With runaway training costs escalating into hundreds of millions, even billions for the most cutting-edge models, there's a huge push now to reduce inference costs. It's a fascinating balancing act. Training gets expensive while running the models becomes increasingly cheap due to efficiency improvements. This shift is challenging traditional pricing models for AI services.
And that ties in with investor sentiment too, doesn't it? The report shows that while revenue growth is explosive for like OpenAI experiencing over a 1,000% annual growth in revenue, the business models are starting to look more like commodity businesses with massive overspending on initial deployment. It creates real questions about long-term profitability versus short-term adoption surges. Speaking of which, one of the most fascinating parts for me is the interplay between tech infrastructure build-out and the user growth. Data centers, for instance, are being constructed at speeds that almost mimic consumer tech cycles rather than traditional real estate developments. Imagine a 750,000 square FIT facility built in 122 days. It's like constructing hundreds of homes in the time it takes to remodel one. And the coupling of this infrastructure with global internet expansion is set to transform accessibility, especially in underserved regions.
Absolutely.